A few and few, what's the difference? Everybody, a few refers to small but positive quantity of something. For an example, I have a few friends who I can always rely on. Okay, next one, I have a few books yet to read. I have a few apples in the basket who I would love to eat. Again, small number but positive number. Alright, whereas when I say few, it means small but a shortage of something. For an example, only few people attended the meeting. Few people could clear the exam. I have few dollars left in the wallet, etc. Everybody, I hope we understand the difference. Short number but positive and not so positive. I've been studying for 3 hours or I've been studying since 3 hours. Which one is correct? Everybody, we use the word for to talk about the number of hours or days, the length of time basically. For an example, they've been married for 10 years. I've been living here for last 20 years, etc. Everybody. Whereas we use since to talk about a period of time that started in past and is still going on till present. For an example, Haldirams since 1965, right? Also, they've been married since 1998, etc. Everybody, okay? So we use for to talk about the length of time, and we use since to talk about a period of time that started in past and is still going on. Get on the metro train or get in the metro train, which one is correct? Everybody, we use get on to talk about public transports. For an example, get on the train, get on the plane, get on the bus, etc. Okay, whereas we use get in to talk about private vehicles. For an example, get in the car, get in the boat. Okay, get in the plane if it's a plane owned by some people. If it's a private jet, private plane, then we will say get in the plane, etc. Everybody, okay? So that's what the difference is. Chair is made from wood or chair is made of wood. Everybody, we use made from when the main material is transformed into something else. For an example, wood pulp is transformed to become paper. In that case, everybody, we will say that paper is made from wood pulp and not of. Okay, similarly, we will say that wine is made from grapes. Alright, whereas everybody, on the other side, we will say made of when the main material remains unchanged. For an example, the chair is made of wood. Wood was cut and was shaped and it became chair. There was no change in the product, right? Similarly, everybody will say the necklace is made of gold. So gold remained gold. It was just shaped. And that's how we will use made of and made from. What's the difference among these three? Pain, ache and hurt. Everybody, we use pain to talk about the physical discomfort in the outer body. For an example, I was running and I fell. Now my elbow is injured and it is paining. Alright everybody, because now elbow is the part of my outer body, so I will say that. Now when it comes to internal pain, for an example, stomach is the internal body part. In that case, I will say ache. My stomach is aching. Alright everybody, now when it comes to your emotional pain, we will use the word hurt. Emotional or psychological, we will use hurt. For an example, he broke up with her and she was hurt. So now it's emotional pain. I hope we understand. What's the difference between still and yet? Everybody, we use still to talk about a situation that continues to happen. For an example, I'm still hungry. She's still angry. They are still at home, etc. Whereas we use yet to talk about a situation which was expected to happen but has still not taken place. For an example, I haven't eaten yet. So I was expecting myself to eat by 8 p.m. but it's 9 p.m. and I still have not eaten. So I will say I haven't eaten yet. They haven't completed their homework yet. She hasn't come home yet, etc. Everybody, I hope we understand the difference. Tired of versus tired from. What's the difference? Everybody, use tired of when you have done something so much that now you are bored of it. For an example, I'm tired of eating salads. I want to eat something spicy. I'm tired of watching the same movie over and over. I'm tired of seeing him, etc. Everybody, okay? Whereas use tired from to talk about a situation where you've done something so much that you are, fatigued. You are all tired. You don't have any energy left. For an example, I'm tired from working all day. I'm tired from hiking through the mountains, etc. Everybody. Practice time. The first one. She has been waiting at the cafe dash 30 minutes. For 30 minutes or since 30 minutes. Everybody, whenever there is a number, 2 hours, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years, 2 is a number. And whenever there is a number, we use for. You're right about that. So here we will write for 30 minutes. The next one. Please dash the bus before it departs. Get on or get in. So everybody, bus, is it a public transport or a private transport? A public one, right? It's a shared space. So we will write get on. Lovely. The third one. I can't walk properly because my leg dash. Pains, aches or hurts. Everybody, leg is an external part of the body. I'm not talking about brain. I'm not talking about liver. I'm not talking about stomach. So, my leg pains, everybody. Great. The fourth one. I'm dash of this rainy weather. Now, tired of or tired from? So, are you bored of it or are you exhausted from it? You're bored of it, right? So, you will write, I'm tired of the rainy weather. The bread is dash wheat flour. Made of or made from? Now everybody, the wheat flour undergoes a process where it is mixed with certain ingredients, it is fermented and many other things happen, and then it is turned into bread. So the bread is made from wheat flour. The next one. Only dash people attended the wedding due to COVID. So few or a few? It's not a positive number, right? We are highlighting that only very less people attended. So we will say only few people attended the wedding due to COVID-19. The last one, everyone. She hasn't called dash. Still or yet? So everybody, what do we use when something was expected but has still not happened? I'm sure you picked up the word yet. So the right answer will be she hasn't called yet. Great, everybody. With this, we've come to the end of our video. If you liked the video, do hit the subscribe and like button. Share it with your friends who you feel can be benefited out of it. And stay tuned. Happy learning.